Good afternoon. Happy Vlogmas day. What day is it? Day 5. Today is Vlogmas day 5. I don't want to show myself because I look a whole hot mess. But I'm committed, as you can see. I'm sitting up here trying to download the clips for day 2 and 3. Even though we're on day 5, I know I'm behind, but you guys know. While I'm on my way to pick up my cousin from work. So when I get to my cousin's house, hopefully I'll be able to edit. I don't know what this car is doing, but he best to go.
Estimated time in traffic 11 minutes.
Yeah, I'm committing myself to getting these videos out, even though I've been running into so many difficulties. I'm gonna get it done, and I'm so hype about it. Like, I'm finally feeling like committed to something. So yeah, I'm on day 5 of Vlogmas and day 3 of just committing myself. So yeah, I'm on my way to pick up my cousin. Like I said, I don't really have much to say, but I did want to come and let you guys know that the vlogs are coming. Oh yeah, I ordered a new memory card, which I'm so happy about. So I got 2 memory cards. I would have had 3 batteries and 2 chargers, but only got 2 batteries and 1 charger right now. I think I still need a car tripod because this holding this tripod while I'm driving is dangerous. So yeah, that will be my next purchase. I have a ring light, which I don't need a ring light right now because all my vlogs are coming straight from my car, so I can't use a ring light in my car. I do want a new lens and a new camera just in general, but right now we gotta start small. I'm using my Canon PowerShot. It's not the best, but it does the job. I also have a Canon.
Watch out, vehicle stopped on shoulder ahead.
I also have a Canon DSLR. I just need a lens for it because the lens I had was destroyed, so I gotta get a new lens, and then maybe I'll start recording on that camera. Not sure, because that camera is pretty heavy, but I like the quality of the videos. So yeah, what else is new? Oh, my nail stuff came in, so I'm gonna be doing my nails soon. Yeah, it's hot in here, so let me go. I'll talk to y'all later. What?
But you don't know that fucking,
oh my god, what? What I don't know?
that you shouldn't show and say you want to die. God is so amazing, but you feel like you shouldn't say you can't make it die. You know God is amazing. You know you can overcome anything.
Day 5 is almost over, and I'm just getting ready for work. It's 5. Oh, it's 9:04. What am I talking about? 5. I know I gotta be to work at 11 o'clock, but I'm talking about 5. But yeah, it's day 5. That's where the 5 come from. And I'm just preparing myself for work. I just got out the shower. Excuse my surroundings. My surroundings will be all over the place, because right now I'm all over the place. Like, I'm dropping stuff. Just doing the most. But anyway. So yeah, today was pretty good. I had an okay day. Didn't really do much. Washed my clothes, you know, edited the video. I actually posted the video that you guys are watching now. It's day 1. I know I'm behind. I'm filming day 5 right now, but I downloaded day 2 and 3, so I should be editing that hopefully tonight. If work is smooth like it was the other night, I may, you know, take my laptop in and tell them I'm doing homework or something. I don't know if they ask, which they probably won't, because That's not my home base, and I'm just there to do a job. So as long as I do my job and I get some free time, I'm gonna edit 2 videos. But yeah, I look a total mess, and I know I've been looking a mess. Like, look at my outfit. Maybe I could pull it down. Yeah, maybe I'll just leave it like this just for the sake of the video, so I won't be looking too crazy. My sports bra is a mess. But anyway, I'm just doing my skincare. I do have a little skincare routine. Maybe one day throughout Vlogmas, I'll give a skincare routine because I do have one. I've always had one at some point in time. I may have steered away from it because my life was just crazy and you know how it gets. So, but right now, I'm back on a routine. These products, they are okay. I purchased it from TJ Maxx, or I think, yeah, it was TJ Maxx. I think I get majority of my stuff from TJ Maxx because their selection is bigger and the packaging don't be all crazy. But I do get some stuff from Ross and stuff like that. Yeah, I don't know. I want to try something new. My face is breaking out for numerous reasons, so it don't look as great as it normally does, but whatever. We can't be perfect all the time. So yeah, face is done. I gotta do something with my hair, so my underarms is a mess. So just ignore that. Like, don't be judging me, okay? Judge your mother, like I said. And yeah, I'm just going, I think I want to do some braids to my hair. I'm not sure. Like, I don't know. I don't really want to make a true commitment because I want to do something new and fun, but I don't want to do it myself because I just don't feel like it. But yeah, this ponytail is getting pretty old. I wanted to wash my hair tonight, but I don't have everything I need. And with me being natural, you know, that's a disaster. You can't just be up and washing your hair and thinking you're gonna be together in less than 45 minutes. So yeah, I gotta leave for work at 10. It's already like 9:20. So yeah. I just wanted to come and show myself and commit myself and, you know, be present like I said I wanted to be for Vlogmas 2019. This is just a challenge for myself. And I'm putting a scarf over this, so yeah, I still look crazy. But the purpose of this whole December is just to commit myself to something that I always wanted to do. Like, I've been on YouTube for a little while now and I've never been consistent. So I'm praying 2020 I am more consistent to myself, okay? I love myself more and I'm not worried about anybody's opinions about me, you know, because it doesn't matter. Like, how you feel about me, it doesn't matter. How I feel about myself matters, okay? So I'm working on myself 2020 and I want to document it. So I hope that I continue this momentum, the energy stays up, because I just feel such on a high right now. And I just thank God for it. Can't wait to see what's in store, but I'm going to finish getting dressed because I gotta go. And I need to eat before I go and brush my teeth and finish getting ready. And I can't do that while I'm trying to film because I'm not used to it and it's just taking up too much time and I can't. And I look crusty, my lips dry, my mouth dry. I'm tired of talking. So make sure you guys subscribe. Tune in for the next video. Get excited with me. Come on, click that subscribe button, comment, share with all your friends, your family. Let them know that, you know, Japonica is here. And we're going to grow together, okay? We're going to blossom like a flower. So, I'll see y'all in the next video. Deuces!